If you want to lose double chin, this video is for you. Repeat with me to see how simple these exercises are. The first exercise. Raise your neck and kiss upwards. Try to use all your facial muscles for the exercises. My face is very funny. This exercise is very important and you should do it for 30 seconds. The second exercise. Make your lips look like a fish and as much as you can. Like me, use your facial muscles to get results sooner. I myself am a fan of this exercise, and I think it is one of the best exercises for losing the double chin. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. The third exercise. This exercise is very simple and easy. Just raise your head as high as you can, and then lower your head as far as you can and repeat. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Please like the video. The fourth exercise. Put your hand in front of your mouth like me, and kiss the hand with the movement of the neck. Do this movement at a moderate speed, not too slow and not too fast. The movement of the neck and neck muscles has a great effect on the result, so try to use your neck muscles. You can do this exercise for 30 seconds. The fifth exercise. A very easy but important exercise. First, lift your neck and pull your double chin down with your fingers. You can do this exercise quickly. 30 seconds of doing this exercise is enough. The sixth exercise. Make your hands like me and massage your cheekbones. This exercise is not difficult at all, and you just have to do it now to see how easy it is. Apply a little pressure along with the massage to get better results. 30 seconds of doing this exercise is enough. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This channel is for your beauty, so subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.